Okay? Next example, we have here a cantilever beam. Okay? So yung beam po natin has a length of 6 meters. And then it supports a uniformly distributed load of 3 kN per meter and a vertical upward load na 19 kN. So ganun pa rin, we will identify the shear and moment equations and at the same time draw the diagrams. Okay? So let's have point here. A, B, C, and D. Okay, determine now the reactions. So, meron po tayo ditong fixed connection. So, pag fixed connection, meron tayong moment. Meron po tayong horizontal and vertical reaction. Okay? So, tawagin natin itong moment at A. Anyway, you can cancel now the horizontal kasi nga, wala namang any horizontal external loads. Okay? And then, tawagin natin itong AY. Okay, AY. Okay, so let's have a summation of forces. So, vertical is equal to 0, upward positive. We have here AY plus 19 minus 3 kilonewton per meter by the length of 2 meters is equal to 0. Therefore, AY is equal to 19 minus 6. So, we have 13. Tapos, transpose natin sa kabila, negative 13 kilonewton. Or, yung ating reaction at point A is 13 kilonewton in downward direction. Okay? And then, taking the summation of moment at point A is equal to 0. Counterclockwise positive. So, unahin na po natin ito. In-assume natin na counterclockwise siya. So, okay lang naman kahit mali yung assumption natin later on kasi mako-correct siya through our answer here. Okay? So, we have your MA. Next, 19. So, it will create counterclockwise. So, plus 19 multiplied by the moment arm, 2 meters. Tapos ito, kunin natin yung concentrated load niya or yung area. So, we have a minus kasi it will now create clockwise motion. Okay? So, minus 3 kilonewton per meter by 2 meters. Okay, ano yung moment arm? Kalahati nito. So, 1 plus 2 plus 2. Okay, is equal to 0. Therefore, the moment at A is equal to minus 6 by 5. Okay, moment at A is equal to negative 8 kilonewton dot meter or 8 kilonewton dot meter in clockwise direction. Okay? So, double check po natin muna bago tayo mag-proceed. So, for our vertical, we have 19 minus 3 by 2. So, dapat lang na 13. Tama. And then, for our moment at A, so we have 19 by 2. Sige, double check natin. We have 19 by 2 minus 3 by 2 by 1 plus 4. Okay, 8. Tama. So, we have 8 kilonewton dot meter. Okay? So, next, let's create now yung tinatawag natin na exploratory section. So, dito sa ating illustration, we will be having 1, 2, and 3 sections. Okay? So, let's have here. Sige, ayusin na natin to guys para hindi tayo malito. Okay, ayusin na po natin to. So, yung AY natin, okay, correct na po natin. AY is pababa, which is equal to 13 kilonewton. And then, yung moment po natin is clockwise. Okay, clockwise. Ito na po yung corrected ha. Corrected. Clockwise of 8 kilonewton dot meter. Okay. So, for AA, set aside natin yung nasa left. We have 8 kilonewton that meter, tapos a force pababa 13 kilonewton. Okay. So, nandito po yung shear at segment AB natin and of course, yung ating moment at segment AB with a distance of x. Okay. So, for the shear at AB, we have the summation of forces vertical. So, negative 13 okay, kilonewton. Negative 13. And then, for the moment at AB, we have here, sign convention na po natin dito is clockwise, na clockwise is positive. So, magiging positive 8 kilonewton that meter applied reaction from the support. And then, yung vertical natin, so we have a counterclockwise motion. So, minus 13 by x. Okay? Therefore, we have negative 13x plus 8 kilonewton that meter. Okay? So, this is now the equation for segment AB. Next, BB. So, for segment BB, ganun lang din ulit. Nandito yung 19 kilonewton and then 13 moment of 8 kilonewton that meter. This is the distance of 2 meters. Distance x. This is x minus 2. So, nandito po yung ating shear at segment BC and then of course the moment at BC. Okay? Guys, huwag kayong malito dito sa mga pinaglalagay kong direction dito. Wala namang bearing yan kasi sinusunod naman natin yung equation na present natin during our first meeting. Okay? So, regardless of the direction of this one, wala pong bearing kasi gumagamit po tayo ng equation. Okay? So, we have here shear at segment BC. Lagay ko na po dito. We have here negative 13 plus 19. Ano ba? Wala na. Okay. So, the shear at segment BC is equal to 6 kilonewton. Okay? And then, for moment at BC, moment tayo dito. So, negative 13, distance is x, plus 19, the distance is x minus 2. So, simplify, plus 19x minus 38. Combining like terms, so we have 6x minus 38. Okay, so this is now the shear and moment equation for segment BC. And then for segment CD, okay, segment CD, yan, ulitin lang ulit natin. 13 kilonewton, moment 19. And then we have here a uniform distributed load hanggang dun sa dulo of 3 kilonewton per meter. Okay, distances. This is distance x. This is 2 meters. 2 meters. Therefore, this is x minus 4. Okay? So, for this one, makikita natin dito yung shear at segment CD. Sige, moment at CD and then yung shear at CD. Okay? So, for the shear at CD, we have negative 13 plus 19 minus 3 by x minus 4. Okay, combining like terms, negative 3x. So, we have here 6 plus 4, so 10. Tama? 10. This is negative 6, tapos plus 4. 6 plus 4. Okay, 10 kilonewton. Okay? And then, for the moment at CD, we have negative 30. Ay! Wait lang. Meron pa tayo dito, hindi natin nadagdag kanina, guys. Sorry. Dito. Hindi natin nadagdag. Meron pa tayong moment dito sa may reaction. Tama? Oo. Ayan. So, negative 13x plus 19 of x minus 2. Yun, nakalimutan natin yung nasa reaction. Plus 8. Okay? So, plus 8. So, magiging negative 30. Okay? Negative 30. Tapos, ganun din dito. Hindi natin naidagdag. Sige. Negative 13. Ano yung moment arm? X plus 19 of x minus 2. X minus 2. Tapos ito, we have minus 3 by x minus 4. Ano yung kanyang moment arm? X minus 4 divided by 2. Tapos ito, yung ating reaction. Plus 8. Okay? And then combine like terms. Sige, negative 13x plus 19x minus 38. This one, negative 1.5. Tapos, negative 1.5. Tapos, meron tayong x squared minus 8x plus 16. Okay? Yung, diniretso ko na po siyang i-expand. itong x minus 4 squared. So, naging x squared minus 8x plus 16. Tapos, meron pa tayong plus 8. And then, combining like terms na po, we have here negative 1.5x squared. Okay, and then may mga x, we have negative 13 plus 19. Tapos ito, we have plus 1.5 by 8. Okay, so we have 18 plus 18x. Okay, double check, negative 13 plus 19 minus 1.5 of negative 8. So, 18. And then, yung ating mga constant, we have negative 38. Tapos ito, negative 1.5 by 16 plus 8. Okay, so we have, tama ba? Negative 38, tama, minus 1.5 of 16. 16 plus 8. Okay, so negative 54 kilonewton dot meter. Okay, so ito na po yung ating shear and moment diagram for segment CD. So it's time now to plot the points for our diagram. Okay, so identify muna natin yung mga distances na gagamitin natin per segment. So for segment AB, we will be using distance 0 to 2 meters. 0 to 2 meters. So BB 2 to 4. And then we have here CC 4 to 6. Okay. So for AB, we have here negative 13. So pababa. This is for positive and negative. Shear tapos moment, positive, negative. Okay? So, from here, pumunta siya ng negative 13. Okay, negative 13. Tapos, at point B is also negative 13. Okay, then connect the dots. And then, next, segment BC. So, at point B, 6 kilonewton and point C is also 6 kilonewton. So, 30, negative 13, napunta po siya ng 6. So, somewhere here. Sige, lakayan natin. Sayang naman yung space. Okay, kasi 13 yan, tapos 6 yun. So, tama lang na. Mas malaki dito sa baba. Okay. So, this is negative 13, negative 13. Next, at point C is also 6 din. Okay. So, 6 straight line. Okay. And then at point C, using segment CD, okay. So, meron na po tayong x dito. So, negative 3, the value of x will be 4. So, negative 12 plus 10. So, we have negative 2. And then sa point D, gamamit tayo ng 6. So, we have negative 18. Tama? Negative 18 plus 10. So, negative 8. Okay. Negative 2. Tapos, negative 8. From 6, napunta siya ng negative 2. Okay. And then, okay. Double check na natin. We have here 3. Negative 13 plus 19. Minus 3 of x minus 4. Negative 3x is 12. Negative 13 plus 19 plus 12. Uy! 18, hindi po 10. Ulit So, negative, constant. I-plus natin lahat ng constant. Negative 13 plus 19 plus 12. Ayan, 18. Kasi kako hindi mag-close eh. Okay, 18. So, we have here 18. Right? So, we have here 3, negative 3x plus 18. At the point C, we have 4. So, 6. Okay. We have here 6. Tapos, at point D, using distance of 6 meters, 0. Ayan. So, yan yung sinasabi ko na dapat mag-close. So, from point C, pumunta ng 0. VC is 6 ulit. Tapos, at D, naging 0. Okay. So, this is a 0 degree curve. So, straight line lang po ito. Okay? Ayan. So, 1 degree, 0 degree, 0 degree. So, this will now be our shear diagram. Okay? Okay. And then, for the moment diagram, dito na po tayo. So, moment at point A, substitute x with 0. So, 0, 8. Okay? And then, moment at point B, substitute x with 2. Okay? So, negative 26 plus 8, we have negative 18. Okay? So, 8 positive. Dito sa taas, positive 8. Tapos, napunta ng negative 18. So, somewhere here, negative 18. Okay, then connect the dots. This is a 0 degree curve. So, straight line lang po. Okay, so 1 degree. Next, moment at segment BC na po tayo using this equation. So, moment at B, dapat ang makuha natin dyan is negative 18. So, 6. Ano yung x natin dito ngayon? 2. Kasi nasa point B tayo. Point B. So, 2. 6x minus 30. Ayan, negative 18. And then, moment at point C, ang x na po natin ngayon is 4. So, negative 6. Okay, so from negative 18 sa point B, at point C, napunta na po ng negative 6. So, somewhere here. Ayan. 0 degree curve, so straight line lang po. Okay, 1 degree. And then, for the last one, we have here moment at point C. Ang dapat nating makuha dyan is negative 6. Substitute natin dito. Ang x na gagamitin is point C po tayo. Okay, 4 meters. Negative 1.5x squared plus 18x minus 54. So, 4, yan, negative 6. And then, moment at point D, we have here 6. So, 0. Okay? So, from negative 6, napunta ng 0. But take note again, yung ating shear diagram is decreasing. Therefore, if the shear diagram is decreasing, it will concave downward. Okay? And if the shear diagram is increasing, it will concave upward. But since decreasing siya, so downward po yung nagiging concavity. So, parang ganito. Okay? Ayan. So, this is now a 2 degree curve. So, ito na po yung moment diagram po natin. Okay?